welcome to the ASTRO. In this Python tutorial, we'll be learning that how to plot 2D histogram using Python code. So, a 2D histogram is mostly used to compare two channels, say RG band or I band, G band, or N2 band in an image where the X and Y axis represent the intensity of that image for the each channel. So earlier we plotted a single histogram where we have like only variable called is X, and this time we have variable X and Y having same size for both variables, and will be visualize this distribution of these two data X and Y through a 2D histogram. So let's do it. Okay, so first of all I will import some libraries. So import library. So I will import numpy as np. So import numpy as np. So this will take care of your array, and then I will import Matplotlib for plotting to visualize. Matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. So this is used for plotting and visualization. Now we will define our X and Y data. So define X and Y data. So I will import here random module. So import random. So this will give random numbers. So I can give say X equal to np dot random dot rand int, and I can take 1 from 1 to 100, and then I can take 5 data points. Similarly, you can give Y equal to same stuff, or maybe this time you can go from 1 to 50. Now this was you have done. Now we'll plot a 2D histogram to visualize this plot. So plot 2D histogram. So for that, type command plt dot 2D hist plt dot hist 2D, right, and give function and see what it takes. So it takes your xy data points, it takes bins, it takes range density, which is boolean, and you can also give minimum and maximum value to this. So let's do it. So you pass your here X and Y data simply, and type here plt dot show. Now run it. So here you can see that you have 5 data points in each XY bin. So you can see, you can also print here X and Y if you like, XY. So you have here 35 and 22. So here 35 and 22. So maybe I can go to 1 to 10 and 1 to 10. Now it's fine. Okay, so here you can give 1 8. So here you have 1 8 and then 7 4. So 7 4, then 8, then we have 9 7. So you have here 9 and 7, right, and then you have 8 7. So here 8 and 7. So this way you can visualize this 2D histogram, right? So this is for like a small data points. Now we'll go for larger data points. Okay, so I will just comment it, and let me just leave it. I will go for larger data points. So what I will do, I will take here some distribution, standard of normal, make it normal and also normal, and you can go from 0 to 1. You can take it, say 1000 data points, right? And now plot it. So here you can see the graphs is like, it's more like a histogram. Okay, and you can also like plot color bar to this histogram. So plt dot color bar, right? So here you can see that the distribution of your intensity values for each bin, right? Now you can also increase the more data points if you want. Say go to 4 digits. Here it's look like, right? Now what else you can do? You can now you can also give this bin to this histogram. So you can make it, say bins equal to, say 100. Now see, the plot is looking like more in like a heat map. You can visualize it. You can see the color gradient at the center. This is yellow, and outward is going to be bluer values, right? You can also control the bin size, and then also you can give the range. So you can see that my data is in between from -3 to 3. Okay, so you can give the range if you want. So I can give the range here. So I can give range equal to, I can give range -3 to 3, comma -3 to 3. Alright, okay, so here you can see that image is like more, it's a zoom view, and we have like cut its outer portion. Now you can also give the color map to this. So you can give a color map here. So you can give C map equal to, you can give, say gist underscore rainbow, right? So here you can see that this is the plot, right? Maybe you can also you can go from -2 to 2 if you want. -2 to -2. Okay, so here it's look like. Now this much we have done, right? Now you can give different color map. You can give, say jet, you can give. So here is the color distribution. You can give rainbow. So you can give so many maps. So I will just putting, or you can also give, say gray. So this will have black and white. So I will put it as jet, right? Now you can also normalize this scale on a log scale rather than linear scale. So for that, just import a library from Matplotlib dot colors, import login, right? Login, and just put here norm equal to log norm and function. Oh, by the mistake, there is 2 times Matplotlib, right? So now here you can see that you have your color bar on the log scale, right? You can see it's 10 to 0, 10 to 1. So this way you can also visualize your color map on the log scale, right? So this way you can visualize. You can see what are the other functions. You can also change the density. Let's see density, what it is doing. So density equal to true, right? So it has it has done the color map on the scale of 0 to 1. Okay, so your all values have been within the 1 and less than 1. So you can make it false also. So false, so it will come on this scale. So this way you can visualize your 2D histogram, right? So I am just increasing this range. So here you can see. So this way you can visualize your 2D histogram for two equal length of an array. So I expect that you have learned that how to plot 2D histogram using two array of the same size, and how to visualize it, and how to customize its color map, its range, its bins, and how to plot on a scale of density plot. So thank you.